Hello and welcome to another Team Knowhow tutorial. My name is David and today I'm going to show you how to set up parental controls on a PS4. If children will be using your PS4, it's a good idea to set up parental controls before letting them use it. To locate the parental control options, press up on your D-pad to access the crossbar, tap right to head to Settings. In Settings, scroll down to find Parental Controls and Family Management, and in here select PS4 System Restrictions. If you've never used these before, enter the default passcode of 0000, which is just the square button on your controller. Once your consoles are set up, make sure you go into New User Creation and Guest Login and switch this to Not Allowed. What this will do is this will prevent your child from changing or adding a new account to bypass any restrictions you're about to set up. Next, head into Default Parental Controls and press the X button. You can set age restrictions on the types of games that are allowed to be played on the console by heading into this option here. Tap down using your D-pad to select the age of your child and then press X to confirm. In this menu you can also disable the use of PlayStation VR and the internet browser on the console. If your child is likely to use the internet on the console, you can install a web filter which will block any harmful websites that they may access. The web filter doesn't come built in, it's part of the Trend Micro package that you can find on the PlayStation Store. Trend Micro Web Security is designed to make sure that your credit card information and your passwords aren't stolen by fraudulent websites. And Trend Micro Kid Safety is designed to make sure your kids aren't exposed to anything harmful online. And that's it. Tap the like button if you enjoyed the video, leave a comment if you've got any questions, and make sure you subscribe for future videos.